I Love Lucy, October 15th, 1951. On October 15th, 1951, I Love Lucy premiered on CBS, marking the beginning of one of the most influential shows in television history. Starring Lucille Ball and Desi Arnaz, the show broke new ground in both its production and its portrayal of marriage and family life. It's hard to overstate how revolutionary I Love Lucy was at the time. The show introduced the multi-camera setup, filming in front of a live studio audience. This technique not only allowed for real-time reactions from viewers, but also improved the technical quality of sitcoms. The show was shot on film rather than being broadcast live, meaning it could be rerun, which was a novel idea at the time and ultimately led to the syndication model that dominates TV today. I Love Lucy also stood out for its unique casting. Desi Arnaz, a Cuban-American, played Ricky Ricardo, Lucy's husband. This was groundbreaking, as interracial marriages were rarely shown on television at the time. The real-life marriage of Lucille Ball and Desi Arnaz mirrored their on-screen roles, and their chemistry contributed to the show's enormous success. Moreover, the show's ability to blend physical slapstick comedy with sharp dialogue created a new comedic standard. Lucille Ball became a comedic icon, paving the way for female comedians in a male-dominated industry. Episodes like Job Switching, where Lucy and Ethel work at a chocolate factory, remain iconic and have been studied by generations of comedians. Which aspect of I Love Lucy do you think had the biggest impact on TV today? Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history insights and compelling stories, subscribe, like, and share.